Today I am going to explain you about the plotting a point in the plane of coordinate geometry. As you are knowing about the quadrant, their axes and abscissa and ordinate, then you are able to just plotting a point in the plane for, see here, this is the horizontal line is x o x dash and vertical line is y o y dash, and there the points are written over here 1 2 3. That is the right side, it is a positive, left side it is a negative, upward it is a positive, downward negative. Suppose then a point A, it is to be plotted there the 2 and 3. So 2 is the first point is their abscissa, this is of x-axis, and second is of y-axis. We'll have to search this one of x-axis and second one we'll have to search for the y-axis. So how will you search? Yeah, see, first you go, as you know, there is this coordinate, it is a 2 3, it is lying in the first quadrant. So there the value of x is over here 2 and the value of y-axis is 3. So we'll just drawing a parallel line to y-axis, and then this point intersects at A, and this is a 2 and 3. By this method we can plot a point. Is it clear? Suppose you are given -2 and -3 where it is to be plotted. Yeah, see, first your concept is clear about it. Suppose this is a point B and it is lying in which quadrant? It is lying in third quadrant. So first we'll search of the x-axis. So this is of x-axis. So there on x-axis point is -2 and we'll plot there the parallel to the y-axis, and 3 -3 from there is y, it is drawn parallel to x-axis, their point of intersection, that is a B, and it is -2 and -3. Is it clear? So we are easily plotted over there the points, and sometimes you will get, suppose you are given the plot, the points there 0 and 3, 0 and 3. So 0, as you know, this is of x and y, it is a 3. So first we'll go, there is a 0, that is of x-axis, and y is 3. Where is 0? 0 is a point that is lying on the y-axis. So this point is 0 and 3, and this point is called C. So we are able to plot these points. Is it clear? Now let's come to here. Sometimes you'll get the points, sometimes you'll get the points are given to you and you are asked to search whether it is a collinear or not. For example, if you are given there 3 2, then after 2 3 and 6 -1, these points are given and plotted and find whether it is a collinear or not. Collinear means you must understand if all the points are lying on the same straight line, that is called a collinear. So in this question there are the two things. First is plotting these points, and then after also you have to show this is a collinear. So how will you do it? See, it is easy to plot it, and same method you will apply. See, first 3 2. Where is the 3 and 2? This is the point 3 2. This is a 3 and 2. Next is 2 3. 2 is the point this one and 3 is this one. So we'll write here 2 and 3. This is A, this is a B. Next one is 6 -1. 6 -1. So we'll take over there. This is a put the point there, the 5, and 1 is the 6. So here 6 and minus 1. We'll put over there the point. This is the 6 minus 1. Then after, with the help of a scale, we'll draw a line, and if it becomes a straight line, now see, this becomes a straight line. On the graph paper you will see clearly it will lie. If it is a line on the sea, a straight line, that means it is a linear. It is a linear. Is it clear? Now, sometimes also you will get there the coordinates of the certain figure you will be given, and you are asked to understand. You have to recognize of which figure it is. So, for example, see over here, just I am giving such a coordinate, and then I have to plot it on the graph paper and recognize of which one is the figure of it. For example, just I am giving you here, then after you understand. There is a 3, 0, plot it. This is the point A. Then after minus 3, 0, and there 4, 0, 4. You have to see, is it of which figure? Is it which figure? You have to identify it. First plot it, and then after identify it. How do you plot it? Say here, just I am putting over here 1, 4 is required here. So this is the 4 and this is y-axis. Now first one is a 3, 0. This is the point A. This is a 3, 0. Next one is minus 3, 0. This is a minus 3, 0. Next one is a 0, 4. This is a point. This is a B. This is a C. This is a 0, 4. Now, and then after join it, you are asked to join it. After joining it, we are getting a triangle ABC. We are getting the triangle. So length of BC, their length of, we can get the length of their AB. That is a 6 unit. That is a 6 unit. But the length of their AC, it is a 3, and for that is a 5 unit. By the using Pythagoras theorem, that will be of 5 unit, and this is of also 5 unit. So its unit, this becomes 5 unit, and this becomes also 5 unit, and this length becomes 6 unit. So their two sides are equal. So triangle AB is equals to, there we are getting 6 units, and AC is equals to 5 units, and BC is equals to 5 units. That means triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Thank you.